Albert Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he actually said that or not, the math behind it is undeniable. Compound interest is the single most powerful force in personal finance, and most people either do not understand it, or they understand it too late. So what is compound interest? Let's start simple. You invest 1,000 euros. It earns 10% in year one. You now have 1,100 euros. Simple interest would give you another 100 euros next year, always calculated on the original 1,000 euros. Compound interest works differently. Next year you earn 10% on 1,100 euros, not 1,000 euros. That gives you 1,210 euros. The year after, 10% on 1,210 euros, and so on. The interest earns interest. That is the entire concept. And it sounds small at first, but give it time and it becomes something extraordinary. Let's discuss the numbers. Same 1,000 euros, same 10% annual return. Watch what happens over time. After 10 years, 2,594 euros. After 20 years, 6,727 euros. After 30 years, 17,449 euros. After 40 years, 45,259 euros. You invested 1,000 euros. You did nothing else. After 40 years, you have 45,259 euros. That is not a typo. That is compound interest. Money in the final 10 years alone, from year 30 to year 40, is greater than everything accumulated in the first 30 years combined. This is why time is the most important variable in investing. Not how much you earn, not how smart you are, how early you start. Let's elaborate with a real-world example. Two people, same goal, different start date. Thomas starts investing 200 euros per month at age 22. They stop at age 32. Just 10 years of contributions. Then they leave the money alone until retirement at 65. Harry waits. They start investing 200 euros per month at age 32, and they never stop. They contribute every single month until retirement at 65. That is 33 years of contributions versus 10. At a 7% average annual return, Thomas ends up with more money at retirement than Harry. 10 years of early investing beats 33 years of late investing. That is the power of compound interest. The formula is simple. Start early. Stay consistent. Do not interrupt it. Every year you wait costs you more than the year before, because you are not just losing 1 year of returns. You are losing 1 year of compounding on every future return. The best vehicles for compound interest are low-cost index funds. The S&P 500 has returned roughly 10% annually on average over the last century. You do not need to pick stocks. You do not need to time the market. You just need to start. Compound interest does not care how smart you are. It does not care how much money you make. It only cares about two things: rate of return and time. You cannot control the market, but you can control when you start. If you want to understand exactly how to invest in index funds and build a portfolio that compounds for decades, check out my complete investing masterclass. Link in the description.